everyone, welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. Today we'll be making a recipe which I've actually made in the past. I made it when we still weren't doing these nice short clips. It was hour-long videos that were happening live, and I just felt like those were really good recipes and I want to start recreating them in these shorter versions. So we're making today an egg white pizza, which is an original recipe from registered dietitian Ilana Molston, based from California. When I saw this recipe, I thought this would be a perfect recipe to share with our weight loss surgery patients because it is super easy to make, very high protein, super tasty. So the ingredients that I have for the recipe are 2/3 of a cup of liquid egg whites, a 1/4 cup of a good tomato sauce. I grabbed pizza sauce. You just have to make sure that it doesn't have any added sugars in there. Garlic powder for seasoning, and any toppings that you would like to add to your own pizza. I have 1 ounce of light mozzarella cheese, and the good thing about this is that it already helps with portion control. Some fresh basil. I sauteed some bell peppers that I had available in my fridge. I sauteed them in oil, didn't season them or anything. And I also toasted some mushrooms. I love mushrooms in pizza. Just really any toppings that you would like. Just careful with some of those high-fat meats that are traditionally put on pizza. You want to go for lean sources of protein. I'm going to cut up the cheese, which I'm going to use to top on the pizza. Now we're ready to make the pizza. I'm going to grab my nonstick cooking spray. I have a medium-sized skillet already heat up to medium heat. So follow me this way so we can start making the pizza. The first thing we're going to do is cover the pan with nonstick spray. And pour the egg whites. I'm going to grab a spatula once the bottom of the egg whites are a little bit cooked. I'm going to pull in the sides so that the egg white can kind of slide off and it's going to cook evenly. The way to know if this is ready is if you touch it with the tip of your finger, it should be not wet or slimy anymore, and that's perfect. Now I'm going to pour the sauce and spread it evenly. Season it with the garlic to taste. I did about 2 pinches. And any of your preferred pizza toppings. I probably should have put the basil last, so let me just hold off on that one. I'm going to pour the mushrooms, the bell peppers, the cheese, let it melt. Actually, it doesn't have to melt all the way through. You can turn the stove off and then we'll transfer it to a plate and the cheese will still continue to heat up. Top it up with the rest of the basil and we're ready to serve. Now I'm going to plate the pizza. Make sure that it's not stuck to the pan. I think it's stuck a little bit in this corner. There you go. And then let it slide off. There you go. Now you've got the flavors of pizza without absolutely any carbs, but all the flavor. I hope you enjoy. See you next time.